Okay, just a short one. Yeah, the driver's side floor was absolutely sodden. Look at that. Let's try and get some of that out. I didn't know where it's coming from, but I googled it and I said door seals, but my door seals seemed fine. Oh, look at that, it's fucking... I'll have to try and get under there, haven't I? So I checked the bottoms of the doors, all the holes, I don't know if you can see them or not, they're all right. And on Google it said it's probably the drains under the bonnet. So the drains are down under there. There you go. So that's the hole there. Oh look, it's another hole. Just there. It's open. Anyway. Now supposedly to get those out, you take out these two bolts here, these two star bolts, and then you prise off the caps of the wiper blades, and you pull the wiper arms off without trying not to break the stalk, which I didn't fancy. And then also you have to peel it off very gently from the windscreen so you don't break this plastic breaks very easily. So this is just an afterthought, this video. Here's a rubber bung that goes in there. It was absolutely chocker full of crap. And the same with this side. Let's stick the camera down in there. Oh, I can see a bit better down there. Anyway, hopefully you can see it. Yeah, there's two holes there. There's two holes there. So, yeah, there's two holes there. Anyway, I managed just to take these, this just pops up. This side, there's no bolts. So that's not too bad. I managed to get this down there. I felt where these were with a hand. Got this, managed to get hold of an edge and pull them up. So pull them up to get them out. That way, not risking breaking wiper arm spindles or this plastic edge that goes along the windscreen, which apparently is quite easy to break. So there's a little tip for you. Although as you can see, it's, oops, I just snapped a bit there, look. See, clumsy. So it's not so easy to get in there to pull all the rest of the crap out like this. But I've pulled a lot of crap out already. This bit doesn't matter too much, it just goes back underneath that rubber seal. So that's how you can clean those out if you don't want to do the rest of it, which I didn't. So hopefully that's helpful for someone or anyone who's got wet on the floor, the driver or passenger side. Both of these were blocked. This passenger side wasn't as wet as that side, but it might be. I don't know why, whether it's because I'm under this tree, I don't know. Anyway, hope that's useful for someone. Cheers. So at the moment with the floor, I can't see any way of getting the carpet up, so I'm just using this microfiber towel and I'm just dabbing it, trying to soak up the water as much as possible, then wringing it out and doing it again. Maybe there's a hole underneath, I'll have to have a look. Okay, so there's something there. You see that? It looks like it. Where the fuck is it gone? Ah, there's two knobbly bits there. I don't know if they are drain bums or not. Oh yeah. Maybe. I'll see if I can prise. I don't know, it's a bit risky, isn't it? Don't want to make a hole underneath. I might try that. Oh no, look. There. There's a drain. What's this? What's this? Ooh, that goes up and down. I'll have a go at this one, and then that one. What about this one? This one. That looks promising, doesn't it? Oh. Focus. Nothing. Oh, that's good. Nothing comes out. Huh. Oh, let's put that back. That one. That might be a bitch to put back if it comes off. Maybe that far one. Sorry about the camera. I'll do this. Let's see what I'm looking at. Can I balance the camera? Found it. It was a big one. As you can see, I just loosened the bung, and that has allowed it. Look at that. Alright. Bloody hell. There's fucking tons of it. Jeez. I think I've got the whole of the last 2 weeks worth of rain in there. Oh my god. I'd have been there for days trying to mop that up with that towel. Fuck. Well, it's worth getting damp lying on the floor. Oh no, I might have to just do the other side, see if I can it's just not stopping, is it? Well, I was driving it yesterday, I heard a glug 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 glug, like some water was sloshing around, and I thought, ah, frick. And I noticed the floor was all damp. It didn't stink because it's only recent. Oh. Oh my giddy arm, as they say, or something like that. kidding me? That's it. Let's just let it all out. Oh fucking hell. That's ridiculous. Wow. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. Holy moly. So there you go. That's at the front of the floor pan under the car drain plug. I presume that's for the floor pan, not for just inside the bottom of the bulkhead. No, I think it's, yeah, it's definitely where the pedals, isn't it? The car is facing slightly downhill as well, which is perfect. Well, maybe I'll leave that for a few minutes and put the bung back in. Okay, under there is pretty much finished. Oh, it's still dripping slightly. Okay. It's like 5-10 minutes later. I'll leave that dripping a bit. But of course, still sodden in here. So I'll just continue soaking it up and wringing out the towel as much as I can. And that is the process, people. So check your drains. If you have an Audi TT MK2, it's bad, man, you don't want them full of crap. And they soon do get full of crap, especially if you're near trees like me. Okay. So I'm still, it's a lot better than it was, but it's still there after some time. It is going. I've got the car running with the heater on there, a bit dry out a bit. I did the other side, passenger side, and nothing much came out the other side. Water wise, that's good. Yeah, so bit of cardboard to lie on and kneel on. I recommend that. Just a little tip for anyone, any car really, is these things come with these stupid things to fill up the tyre with stuff. Don't like them, probably messes the wheel up, may not work for you. I prefer having a space saver, so I bought, because I've got these 19-inch wheels, so I've got a 19-inch space saver, so I cut up this thing that holds all the tools and that in the back. Sacrilege, some people might be saying. So I've got the jack and all that, got all the tools, but I'd rather have an actual spare wheel that I can change, and a bit of cardboard. I basically fold that up and stick it on top of the wheel, and then I can still put this down and have loads of space, because they're quite spacious these, because the back seats go down and all that. So, and at the end of last year, which is a note, I changed the battery. I'm very surprised to find it had the original battery on there. So the original battery was like, well, since 2006. Here's 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, it's like 19 years. 19 years for the battery. That's amazing. So that's a testament to having a battery in a nice warm dry place in the car, not in the front of the engine where it gets cold, wet and damp and all that sort of thing. So new batteries, so that will probably last the lifetime of the car now, as long as I have it anyway. Yeah, so that's what I do. So I have a spare space saver. It's my choice. But you can get these things second hand on eBay anyway. These things for like 20 or 30 quid or something if you wanted to, when you're selling it, if you want to have the original thing in there. But I just saved the bit that has the paint codes and all that on there. It's on it. So stuck that down there next to the battery. Yeah, so I've got a spare wheel. Spare wheel, carry a bit of cardboard so you can kneel on it. Always comes in handy. Alright, there you go. That's probably about it for this. Leave the car running for a while, might take it for a drive, get it all nice and warm. It'll just be a matter of time, I think, because I think underneath the carpet there's like, that's a lot better than that. There's like a sponge, I think, bit like an underlay, and that just acts like a sponge anyway, and soaks up a bit. Look, there's still a bit there. I have to push quite hard, so I'm getting there. I put the caps back in underneath, and that's really simple. They just plug back in very simply, so it's easy to take out. Alright, hope that was useful for people out there with TTs. If you've got a wet driver side or passenger side floor, clean out your drains under the bonnet and the ones from under the door as well, just in case. But if it comes through the door, make sure the door's not blocked. I think the seals are actually alright. When it comes through the door, it comes out here and here and just dribbles away, so it shouldn't be a problem. But if they're blocked, obviously, in the door, it may come out somewhere else and end up inside. Okay, that's it. Enough waffle. See you later.